Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your product photos using this smart background in Picsart. So when you're in the website, just go to recommended, scroll down until you find smart background. Then I'm just going to select a product photo. I actually don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm just going to select that. And it's going to redirect me to another page. So it will remove the background, I think, and it will okay, we need to describe the background. I'm going to type maybe like pink. Oh, okay, I'm just going to leave it at that. And here you'll be able to see some of the other backgrounds you can choose from as well. There's a lot to choose from actually, so maybe this rose fabric. Don't know if it will show it actually. Oh, I can't do it. Okay. Anyways, here it will give us some suggestions for the background of our product, and you can select it. I don't know why there's that. Okay, I can't generate it because I need Picsart Pro. But anyways, you can select from these backgrounds, and then it will basically remove the background here, and it will add in something like this. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!